Okay, so finding 1%. If you think about it, 100 lots of 1% would make 100%. Therefore, to find 1%, you divide by 100. Okay, so let's have a look at the question. If we had to find 1% of 600, that would mean we need to put 600 in our place value table. Remember, the decimal point is always just after the number and it doesn't have its own column. And dividing by 100, as seen in previous place value videos, it's 2 places to the right to make it get smaller. So the 6 would move 2 places, so 1, 2, and it would be in that position there, and the zeros would follow. Now, if the question was £600 and you wanted to give your answer, it would be £6. Remember, you can write that as just like that, 6, or you can put the 0.00. If it wasn't money, just think about whether those zeros are necessary. Okay, a second question then might be, what is 1% of 370? So using the same technique, we'd still need to divide by 100, so I'm going to put my decimal point there, move it 2 places, the 3 would move over 2 places, and the 7 and the 0 will follow, and your answer is going to be either 3.7 if it was to do with a certain unit, or if it was money related, £3.70. Okay. Applying the 1% then, we can use it to find multiples like 3%. So if we look at this question, we're looking for 3% of 120. Before we can do that, we need 1% to know what that is, and then we can use that to get 3 lots of it to find 3%. So that's your thought process that you should be having. So using the same method, let's put 120 into our place value table. It doesn't have a decimal point, so I'll just pop it after the 0. Okay, so dividing by 100, that's going to give us 1.20. So because it is money, 1% is £1.20. And we wanted 3%, which is 3 lots of it. So depending on how strong your times tables are, 3 lots of £1 is £3, and 3 lots of 20p is 60p. So that's £3 and 60p. If in doubt, remember you could always write it out: £1.20, £1.20, and £1.20, and use your addition. So nothing, 2, 4, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, so giving you the same answer. Okay, finally then, combining all 3 things together. And 10% from your other video we've already worked out, and we need to now work out 24%. So you do need to think about what kind of things you need to work out to find out 24%. You're definitely going to need 10%, because that's going to help you to find 20%. You're then going to need 1% to help you find the 4%. So break it down. Remember, 10% we need to divide by 10, and 1% we need to divide by 100. So let's start off with 10% of 800. 800, move it 1 place because it's divided by 10, giving you 80. So 10% is £80. Remember the link between 10% and 20%, you get 2 lots of it. You want to get more. 2 lots of £80 is £160. Remember, you could always do addition. Okay, so onto the 1% then. If we look at 1%, same technique. We've got 800, but this time it's dividing by 100, and that's going to move it to the units column, and the zeros will follow, making 1% equal £8. And remember, with this you can add now to get 4%, 4 lots of it. So £8 times 4, say your 8 times table, 8, 16, 24, 32. So £32. Okay, your final thing to do then is then work out which percentages you need to combine. So 20% is needed, so that was the 160, and 4%. So if we just work that out, you've got 20%, equals 160. 4% equals £32. So if you are using this layout, you need to make sure your units match up, so the 60 and the 30 are in the same column, and then adding those together, you've got 24%. You've got no other pence or anything to add together, so £2 is left. 60 and 30 make 90, so that's £92 we've got now, plus the other one, giving you a grand total of £192.